Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, hosted a floral tribute in celebration of the 100th anniversary of the birth of Dr. the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley, affectionately called Miss Lou, on Saturday at the National Heroes Park in Kingston. The special gathering saw Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange laying a floral arrangement on the shrine of Dr. Bennett Coverley. Grandson of the beloved Jamaican cultural icon Clayton Coverley also laid an arrangement. The event also featured Carrie folk singers perform the Miss Lou folk medley, and tributes also flowed from the Manchineal Theatre Group.
The centennial celebration of the birth of Dr. the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley is an occasion that anybody who is associated with Jamaica would want to share in. We most often remember Miss Lou for the songs she sang to warm our hearts and the fascinating story she told.
Louise Bennett Coverley was a Jamaican poet, folklorist, writer, and educator. Miss Lou, as she is affectionately called, is one of Jamaica's most well-known cultural icons and a pioneer of Jamaican patois. Miss Lou 100 is being celebrated over the course of 100 days, which started on September 1. These celebrations included the official renaming of Gordon Town Square to Miss Lou Square by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, which took place on Sunday evening. Good morning, teacher. How is you? Reggae singer Kes Namdi has released a new track dubbed Love Me Enough that will be featured on his forthcoming album. The visuals for the new video Love Me Enough premiered officially on Billboard last Friday. The Petroni-directed video follows the reggae singer and his love interest as modern-day Bonnie and Clyde. The song is produced by dancehall legend Sook Ward. Kes Namdi will be hitting the road with Collie Buddz for his hybrid tour this autumn. The tour kicks off on October 10 and will make stops in cities in New York, California, Georgia, and Florida. The tour will end on December 8 in Atlanta. Now, Grammy-winning reggae artist Buju Banton recently gave back to Mount Olivet's boys' home in Manchester through his Buju Banton Foundation. The initiative saw the foundation handing over stationery supplies to residents of the Mount Olivet Boys' Home. The facility, established 52 years ago, provides care and protection for 48 boys between the ages of 6 and 18. Administrator of the institution, Patrick Newman, hailed the foundation for its gesture and is grateful for the donations that were made. Now, on the international scene, Barbadian singer Rihanna is gearing up to release her new album. Over the weekend, it was announced that the anticipated album will be released for December 2019. The announcement was made by executives at Universal Music France at the company's annual open session in Paris on Friday. The album will feature artists The Migos and The Weeknd, among others. Rihanna has not commented on the album announcement. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.